Hey guys, it's Thursday. Another episode of Sam wastes her time making a video for a channel that doesn't actually exist. Yeah. I've been on spring break, so that's cool. Been making art for this gallery thing that I'm doing. It's Saturday. That'll be fun. I don't really have anything to talk about. I bought Josh Groban tickets on Monday. So that's exciting. Hey. Josh Groban. That'll be fun. Oh god. What am I doing? What am I doing? Sam, you're wasting your time. Oh my gosh. Okay, why am I making a video right now? I don't have a theme or anything to talk about. Look at me with my hoodie and my weird, really parted hair and things. I hope you guys are having fun at school. It snowed today. Snow. I like snow, actually, so no complaints there. Oh, wait, here, look. Look who's on my calendar right now. I got nothing more to say, you guys. I love you, I guess. Have a fun time. And boop.